loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be trying out Yakelin Acosta's products. In case you guys don't know who this young woman, entrepreneur, I would say, she is very well known in Instagram, and I think she's even a nail artist technician. And of course she has her own lines of acrylic products, which I really like. This color right here is called Tiffany. Now, it's not that I was disappointed. Maybe I was disappointed with the color because honestly I thought it was gonna look like the color in the actual tub, but it turned out to be kind of like an aquamarine color, a very translucent color that I wasn't really wanting, but nonetheless it's a very pretty color. It was basically my fault because I should have looked up more pictures of this color. But with that being said, Tiffany, I was like, oh, it's gonna be that pretty teal color that I've been looking for, and no, that wasn't. I mean, this color is very pretty. It's something that I think you would use, or I would use, for like a mermaid nail design. So this whole video right here is not about the nail design. I think I could have done better, in my opinion, with the nail design, but with me just trying out the product, that's what, you know, I was really, the intent of this video was for. Like, the consistency of the acrylic powder is so buttery. It's so easy to work with. It's just, it reminds me so much of the Valentino products. Like, I don't know, it just really does remind me of it. The consistency, the way it moves is, it's just everything. It reminds me of everything, but there is a slight difference between those two product lines. It's just that Yakelin Acosta's products are way up there with a very nice price tag. You're looking around for a cover, like $32.99, I would say, just for how much ounces? A 3.5 ounce acrylic cover will cost you that much. Like I said, if it wasn't because of Black Friday, because I did purchase these products on Black Friday, I don't think I would have, you know, taken the plunge. But I'm really happy I did, even though they're kind of expensive. I really am, because I don't have any colors like this in my collection. And let me tell you guys, I tend to collect nail covers. I don't know why. I just tend to want to buy them all. It's like, ooh, could I have you? Ooh, I could have you. I don't know, you guys. Am I weird? Or am I the only one that does that, where I tend to like collect the covers and collect all glitter acrylics, because you can never go wrong with glitter. So I did purchase the rose cover, this one right here. And by the way, I forgot to mention, I am using my Alpha brush, number 8 Kolinsky brush. I'm still kind of like iffy about this brush. I hardly ever use it because I don't know why. I just don't see myself using it so much. I don't know why, you guys. I don't know why. Like, I don't know if it was my what is it, my monomer that ate up the barrel. I don't know, but nonetheless, it's functioning well. It's getting along with the acrylic, because sometimes it sticks to the acrylic to my brush. I don't know why. So overall, my experience and my thoughts about this acrylic line, I love the consistency. I don't love the price, but if you're, you know, a full-time nail tech and you want good quality products, I would definitely recommend this acrylic line, even though it comes with a hefty, nice, pretty price tag. I do love it. I think maybe later on in the future I will definitely be buying more of her covers, because she has many beautiful, unique covers that I have not seen in any other line. So with that being said, I like it. The cons is the price tag, but just the consistency and everything is there. Something of an acrylic that I look for in, and I can't find anywhere else if it's not in Young Nails or in Valentino. And now that I found it in Yakelin Acosta's products, even though it's kind of expensive, but the consistency is there. I love it. It's so buttery. You cannot go wrong with this product, honestly, especially if you're a beginner. Even if you're a beginner and you have, you know, the money to spend, go for it, because it's that easy to move and apply this acrylic onto the nail. It is. Now, don't mind this acrylic powder that I'm using. I don't know what it is. It's just, I'm looking for another clear acrylic. The only reason why I don't use the clear acrylic that I love is because I don't want to waste it. I don't want to waste it on my practice nails. I really don't. I'd rather save that for clients and stuff like that. So I am using, what is it, Legacy nail acrylic powder. I'm not sure. I'll leave it down below in the description box if I could, you know, remember. But overall, I love it. There's nothing bad I could say about this line. She did it. She definitely nailed this acrylic powder line that she created, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you guys hit the little bell to get notified whenever I do upload new videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye.